All right, welcome back to the channel, fam. So if you're new to the channel, thank you for tuning in. Go ahead and remember to like and subscribe if you like what you see, because I release fresh content weekly. So we're gonna jump right into it today. Today, I'm waiting right now for my engine guy to show up with my new engine setup for the 64 Buick. This is the new project vehicle that we just picked up. You saw it in the last episode. If not, go ahead and check it out. Put a link up here. But remember, watch this video first before you check that video out. We don't want to mess up the algorithm. But anyways, I got a new Vortec engine coming for this. I think it's a 5.3. I'll be happy if it's a 6.0. But either way, this is going to get the old Buick engine pulled out of here because we ain't going to rock no old Buick block. We're going to put in an LS. That way we have more power potential that we could pull out of the block. So that's going to be our new project vehicle here for the channel, and I was really anxious on getting the powertrain set up, so I went ahead and just ordered that up. My guy had one available today, freshly pulled, low mileage. I think it has like 50k miles, which is nothing. Came out of a Silverado, so, and is a two-wheel drive Silverado with a transmission also attached, so we're all good there. We'll reuse the transmission, engine. We probably won't use the original harness or ECU. I'll probably just put in a Holley system, but that's yet to be determined. We'll work out some of those details as we're doing the build. Excuse me if I got a dirty hoodie on, but I just got through pulling my engine hoist out the back in storage, and it was a little tough to get to. But anyways, I got the engine hoist up there now. Waiting for this engine to be dropped off. He should be here any minute. Again, that's going into 64. Go ahead and take a look at that there. New project for the channel once again. A couple other projects we have is the 33, and then we have the Camaro here, which needs a water pump, and that video will drop shortly. So those are our projects for the channel. My engine guy's here now, so we're gonna pull this engine out the truck, and then I'm gonna pay this man and we'll get our engine here. So I'm gonna set y'all up right here. All right, guys, gals, we got the engine unloaded. It's gonna need to be degreased. Supposedly only has 53,000 miles, so that's good. We'll see how it runs. They did a compression check and everything else. It has a 706 heads, so that's pretty standard. I'm gonna say about a 2005-ish engine, around 2005 truck engine, Silverado. As for 50,000 miles, I don't know, that's questionable, but we got our block to start with. They say a 1-year warranty, so you know, hopefully they live up to their word and it runs. That's all I'm concerned about, and we'll build it up from there. So let me go ahead and get this engine and back down my narrow driveway, past the car and the boat, and that way I'm secured and I could continue with my day. I'll set you guys up somewhere over here as I'm rolling it in. Now I'm gonna have to call it a day, time out for now, because I got more work to do. We'll cut back to this a little later. All right, fam. So I had to wrap the engine real quick because it started raining, but you saw us unload it. That's gonna be here for the 64 Skylark. Can't wait to start this project, and I'll go in a more in-depth look at it in a future video. So this is a 64 Skylark. That's our engine transmission now delivered. 4L60E and a 5.3 liter LM7. Not sure what I'm gonna do as for power adders, but at this point, just wanna get it in. Just wanna show you guys the new ride. I can't wait to start this project and have you guys along with me. But that's gonna have to be a future video because it's raining out here now. I'm about to go in the house and do some more editing. And I wanna just thank you guys for watching along and subscribing to the channel. I do appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell to be notified of my next episode. And until next time, stay good, family. Peace.